I'm going to show you how you can add all of the rotation icons and everything to each of the slides very quickly. So you're just going to drag a box around the whole slide and all of the icons and copy it and then paste it to all of the Monday slides. And then I will show you what it looks like with all of the slides together, as if you were presenting them during centers. So you can just select straight from present mode the timer in the corner, and then you'll find that there's this gray little box that marks each of the rotations. And then when you click next, it takes you to the cleanup timer. So there's rotation 2. Then once you click again, it will take you to the cleanup timer, and you just need to push play for each one. And those are all of the rotations.